I'm a thug in the hood, niggas wouldn't have knew it was good. I'm a baller in the club, niggas wouldn't have knew it was good. I'ma be precise with my style, niggas wouldn't have knew it was good. I'm so hood just to keep it real with ya. Grew up in BK, East Flat, but sure I began to grow up. Did my thing in the streets, then I had to grow up. So yeah, you can say that I'm ahead of my time. But now I got dreams, 2-door coupes on 22-inch rims. Ice hanging from my neck to my navel, just watch how I shine. Chicks of all kinds, that's what I need. And I'ma spend 20 G's every time that I breathe. No, I ain't just talking, this is how real niggas move. Spend a lot on me and none on you. All I need now is to hit MIA and get some dick chicks that lick their lips, then I'ma slide off. Yeah, nigga, I just wanna live the life like everyone else. I'm just bold enough to try to achieve my dreams, and that's why I'ma be me with everything that I do. I'ma be me, so never compare me to you. Yeah, I'ma be me and just do what I do. I'ma be me and slide through the hood in the truck of the coupe. I'ma be me, yeah, my girl looks cute. But being me isn't the only thing I could do. I could switch up styles every time I break out. And never mind the swag, I could switch that too. I could pick up the Cartier frames or the Marc Jacob goggles, then hop in the truck to pick up the coupe or do it in reverse. I could wear white tees instead of the polo tops. Better yet, I could take your style and make that my own. Whether I'm sporting waves or the Caesars. Like the way I switch my Nikes and go straight for the Adidas. Yeah, that too is a switch. I switch up tracks every time that I spit. Not being me should be my gift, because you see another me every time that I switch. And that's why I'ma be me with everything that I do. I'ma be me, so never compare me to you. Yeah, I'ma be me and just do what I do. I'ma be me and slide through the hood in the truck of the coupe. I'ma be me, yeah, my girl looks cute. A lot of niggas wanna know why they can't bite my style, but me, when I see someone else doing better than me, I just swagger jack and make it style my own. If I see a chick that I can't bag, I let my man holler, and then I make my approach. I'm so sick with it, do you hear my cough? I need close attention, that's why I shine. With the truck on 22-inch rims that leaves your ass blind. And my girl could come through and we both could shine. I mean, my man could come through and we all could shine. But me, I'm just different from everyone else. That's why I do what I do. It's hard for me to switch my ways and just be like you.